And in today's video, we will see how to fix the LG monitor keep saying no signal input source, cable and the display fix. So after that, the fix one is the check the cable connection. Firstly, you can turn off your LG monitor and computer. Then after unplug the HDMI display port or VGA cable from the both end. Then plug the cable back in tightly. Then turn everything back on and check the screen. The fix 2, you can select the corrupt input source. Press the joystick or menu button under the LG monitor. Then open the input setting. Choose the correct input like HDMI 1, 2, display port or etc. Then confirm and check if the display appear. The fix 3 is you can simply restart your computer. Firstly, turn off your computer completely. Unplug it from power for 1 to 2 minutes. Plug it back in and turn it on again. The next fix is to try a different cable. So you can firstly disconnect your current display cable. Then use another HDMI or display port cable. Then confirm it firmly on both sides and then turn on the monitor and check the issue again. The fix 5 is you can simply reset the LG monitor. So turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable from the wall, wait for 2 to 3 minutes and plug it back in and turn it on. Goodbye.